Hey beauties, it's Daisy and we're jumping straight into this video. Today we are going to remove this hair color from the 613 wig. As you can see, this wig, I was actually trying to darken the roots and it had that red undertone and I didn't like it at all. So I was like, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? So I decided to try this new method. I did a little bit of research on. I'm going to show you guys the ingredients first. All you need is some baking soda and some Dawn dish soap. That's it. And we're going to mix everything together after we pour in some boiling hot water. And we are going to get that nice thick texture here. And then we are just going to dip this wig in that hair. So this is how the wig's looking. We are going to dip it in there. I am using my spatula because I'm in my kitchen and that's the only thing that I had. Trust me, I cleaned it off and I'm going to clean it off after. But I'm just dipping mainly the roots in first because I don't want that dye to get on the rest of the hair, especially since it's not dyed. And I'm adding a little bit more water. And as you can see, that color is lifting. Hun, I was so amazed. Like, this is crazy. It was working. So I did this method a few times. You want to be really careful because the water was so hot. Of course, I used boiling hot water, but I just had to touch it and like try to maneuver the wig so I can get all of those roots off that dye because we don't want that. So this is how the wig was looking after doing it, I believe 2 times. And the third time was a charm. Look at that. Now, I did use permanent dye on the roots at first, so that's why it's still a little bit dark. But the other color was semi-permanent. But this is how it came out. It looks really good, especially to still have that permanent dye. And as you can see on the bottom, I didn't put any kind of dye whatsoever. And this is how the wig came out. So I was super happy. This is my Janet Collection wig, which looks really good. I would just say this method is really harder on permanent dye versus semi-permanent, so keep that in mind. I hope this was helpful for you guys, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.